In this video, I'm going to share an upgrade we did to our water pressure regulator that's right back here and why we did that. Stay tuned to learn more. We started out with this water pressure regulator from Amazon, and for a couple of years I think it worked fine. Eventually it started to fail. I think it failed over a period of time, but I could not adjust the water pressure up or down. It didn't really move very smoothly when I changed the setting. And then at the most recent location, it stayed at 0, although we had water flow into the house, but the regulator showed 0 only. It did not change up or down. It just stayed at 0. So we bought this new Blue Tech pressure regulator through Mobile Must Have with an affiliate link from changinglanesrv.com, and immediately Rhoda said on the first shower that the water pressure was the best we have had in months. I think the previous one was failing and was dialed back to something way too low for reasonable use. I had set this one up to like between 55 and 58, and we have noticed an improvement in water pressure overall. The main purpose of this video really is to tell you that things will fail. We know this, it's common sense. But I had thought this would last longer, but if it starts acting funny, the water pressure regulator is very important. Some RV parks actually have a rule that you must have one because they know their water pressure is too high. The water pressure can be very, very high in RV parks. It can blow out your plumbing and create leaks and break stuff in your rig. You don't want that. So always, always, always use a water pressure regulator. It's very important. And don't hesitate to replace it if you think it's not working as it should. If you can't adjust the pressure up and down, or it's been a couple years, maybe just proactively replace it. We've really enjoyed the increased pressure with this change. If you notice in this picture, all the attachments that we have here, there is a motorized water valve in this mix where we have the YoLink sensors. If there's a water leak anywhere in or around our rig, that system turns off the water at the spigot within a second or two. Check out our YoLink videos to see how that works, how that setup is. It's really not hard to set up. It's not that expensive. There's no subscription involved. But watch our playlist for YoLink and you'll understand some of the other pieces you see in this. It's basically just the common Y splitter and then a motorized valve and the water pressure regulator. That's all that's in this picture, really. Thanks for watching. If this is any value at all, please like and subscribe and tell your friends and share with others. Thank you.